Right back to a brand new Roblox video. Hope you guys can hear me just fine. Well, we're gonna be heading to the criminal base in the middle of nowhere to look out. Because if you guys cannot, you can see that black smoke right over there. We're gonna head right over to that spot. I do not have my car upgraded. I was trying to get right into this video. We're gonna head on over there. And I hope you guys be here for this when this explosion goes off. I mean, it's gonna be pretty good intense. I mean, they're still letting people go in. I'll show you how high the water level is. The lava level. I mean, it was like past this, but down below that. But yep. So like I said, we'll jump right into it. I hope you guys had a good day. And yeah. By the way, guys, I'm going to show you guys a new outfit that I have.
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Alex.
Right here is, it says FBI. That's my name, FBI. It says FBI and SWAT, FBI on the shoulder. So something on that side. But anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe. And, bye-bye. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.